Hey everyone, today I will show you how to find the link on Monopoly Go, and here is how. At the bottom of your screen, you will see a button labeled Friends. Tap on that. Next, you will see an invite button in green. Click on that. Now you will be presented with two options, inviting using the share link or inviting using the Facebook link. To find or copy the share link, simply tap on the yellow or orange button, depending on your device. This will bring up a menu with various sharing options. Just click on Copy Link. As for me, I will just use my color notes since it is not available in my device. And lo and behold, you can now see the link. From there, you can share the link on different platforms like Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp, and more. And that's all there is to it. That is how to find the link on Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.